in a matter of days, I'm going to hop on an airplane and fly to the depths of hell in Mexico. I just got done training in the dojo. Get the rust off and get ready for what could be my most violent venture in my almost 11 years in this great sport. When I sit here now and reflect, after 3 some odd hours in the dojo putting in the work, I know when the Bulldozer comes to Mexico for the very first time, June 29th, June 30th, July 1st, and July 2nd, 4 days of violence for DTU. And I come there representing GCW, Game Changer Wrestling, the promotion that's changing the game right now in 2017. A promotion I represent as the world's heavyweight champion. And as the world's heavyweight champion, that's what I do. I hop on that airplane, I touch down, I put my boots on, and I get in that ring, and I defend the World's Heavyweight Championship because I am the face and the representation of that brand, of that promotion, Game Changer Wrestling. 4 days of violence, night after night after night after night, putting the title on the line like a champion does against DTU's best. And when it comes to ultra violence, when it comes to extreme and hardcore wrestling, whatever label you want to give it, they're giving their best. They're giving me their best. Their top dogs, their top guys are coming for the Bulldozer and are coming for my World Heavyweight Championship. I hope Mexico is ready. I am. Because anywhere I go, no matter if it's here in the States or across the world, I bring 110%. I'm going to cross the border, and I'm bringing violence with me. You want my title? Come and get it. But I bleed GCW, and we're coming to change the game. And in a matter of days, when we touch down and we land, and I get off that airplane, there's going to be a force to reckon with, because you will feel that the Bulldozer has arrived when my foot lands and touches on your country's soil. I hope you're ready to go one-on-one with the most decorated American deathmatch star walking God's green earth today. I didn't win 6 deathmatch tournaments in the U.S. for nothing, and I ain't the GCW champion for nothing either. I'm bringing all I got. Give me all you got. I hope Mexico's ready, because the Bulldozer is fucking coming. GC fucking